Michael Longoria. I'm from Houston, Texas. I'm from H-Town, baby. And today we're going to be opening up an Optic Hobby Box 2023-2024. And you find one autograph. And let's hope we get a rookie autograph for a Curry. And will you join me? We're going to go ahead and open up this box. So after we skip through the base, we got Lights Out, All-Star Thompson. Insert. There's so much base in this. We have Leonardo Miller and the Timberwolves. Then we have a Dominator Damian Lillard cooking. Next pack. After we skip through all the base, we have a Ocha Agigi on the Raptors. Next pack. After we skip through the base, we got Scoot Henderson Jr., Raider rookie. And then we have a Slammy Jimmy Butler. After we skip through all the base, we have a nice Stephen Curry Rising Suns. After we skip through the base, we have a Jamal Jazz Jr. rookie. Then we have a Jordan Hawkins Silver rookie. Next back. We have someone of the Sonics Raising Threes, Ray Allen. Then we have a lot of base cards too in the pack, like always. After we skip through the base, we have an Amen Thompson Raider rookie. And we have a Terry Rozier. Oh my gosh. And we have an Anthony Edwards Dominator. Then we have one rookie, Derek Lively. Like that. After we skip through the base, we have a pink Chris Paul laser. Then we have a Michael Porter Jr. blue, numbered to 249. Then we have a little insert here, Light Out, Donovan Mitchell. Then we have an auto here, Chris Livingston, Raider rookie, and a Bucks. After we skip through all the base, we have a Red Hot rookie, Grady Dick. And then we have a Raider rookie all over Maxence Prosper and the Mavericks. Then we have a Fred VanVleet silver. After we skip through all the base, we have a Raider rookie Lewis. And then a Devin Booker on the Suns. After we skip through all the base, we have a Raider rookie and Mono Bates on the Cavaliers Raider rookie. Number to 49. And we have a Ray Allen again. This time it's Raining Threes. Basically the same thing. Then we have a Raider rookie, Sashi Rendulu, two in the pack. And then more base cards, like always. Let me sort in my stack up here, guys. Just give me a second to stack it up, all up. Three packs left in the video. We have a Stephen Curry Rising Sounds. And then we have all base cards besides this Kobe Buffkin Raider rookie. Then we have a Red Hot rookie Scoot Henderson insert. And then base cards two in the pack. Last pack of the video. After we skip to the base, we have this number Damian Lillard, and the number is 249. And that's gonna do it, guys. This was a pretty bad box besides the numbered cards, but please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace out, baby.